It's starting to snow. It is the beginning of the storm. So as you can see here, today is the D-Day. Yesterday the snow was not there. The roads were cleared. There was sunlight, and today you see a 180-degree change in the weather. The wind is blowing really hard. If you can see here, the snow blowers were on for some time. The maintenance staff had done a great job keeping the pavements clean. So the snow blowers were on, and hence this is still a walkable pavement. The visibility has been reduced to zero, but I think I see a snowplow. Yes, as you can see here, a snowplow is approaching us. They help keep the roads clear. I think they have done a fabulous job in clearing the roads. It's been incessant snowfall, and yet you do not see snow accumulation on the roads, and hence some vehicles are actually being able to pass through. Another snowplow coming. The visibility is really low. I think the visibility is the key problem here, and that's why everyone has been advised to stay inside the house. If you are traveling, you have been asked to use public transport because that's a safer option, but I'm not sure if all the public transport is working though. The cars are actually going really slow. Better safe than sorry. As you can see here, it's all covered with snow. Everything is covered with snow. There is a snow blower right in front of us. So they're trying to clean the pavement so that it's walkable. As you can see here, right in front of us, there's the snow. But some of the cars are still traveling. Let's look at the situation of our car. It is still covered with snow. There's another snow plow. And another one. It's a day where you'll see a lot of snow plows. That's our car. Yeah, it's covered with snow. Can we... Whoa! That's a huge layer of snow that we just cleared. But one of the things is, because the wind is so strong, the ice does not accumulate as of now. So this is it. This is 10 a.m. and the weather is really not safe. So I'll step inside, and hopefully the snow will end in some hours, and we'll see you then.